increasing number of temporary restraining orders being issued by courts, mostly the court in Chicago, the Northern District of Illinois, and the latest brands, Agrarian, Luxotica, and General Tools is back at it, hurting sellers all over the globe. Thank you for joining me for AmazonSellersLawyer.com insider information. This is the way temporary restraining orders work in the Northern District of Illinois. The brand goes into court and they file a lawsuit against as many sellers they can name, plus John Doe 1 to 200. Those are the sellers that they can't identify. They immediately go back in front of the same judge and ask the judge in secret, without any opposition, to issue a temporary restraining order. Now, the judges in this particular courthouse do it. It also gets done by the courts in Florida and right here in New York in the Southern District of New York. So they go in front of the judge and they say if you don't freeze their accounts in secret, they're going to keep selling, or they're going to open up new accounts, or they're going to recall their inventory and resell it. So court, you must, it's an emergency, you must freeze everything right now and then notify them. More and more brands are using them to hurt third-party sellers. But the flip side of that is if you are a private label brand and you are having the same problem, you can use the same mechanism yourself. So TROs are on the rise. It's bad for third-party sellers. For private label sellers, you can use the same exact mechanism to stop counterfeiters from stealing your sales, even if those counterfeit products are being sold by, Arthur, give me a drum roll. Even if the counterfeit products are being sold by Amazon itself. Right now, scroll down and post any question you have to Arthur, our incredible video editor. Arthur, please have CJ talk to us about whatever your issue is. Thank you for joining me for today's episode of Amazon Seller's Lawyer Insider Information.